Really? It's only been here for 3 years. It's not like somebody's haunting Beulah Park. So we're going out now?
Yeah, I think so. You ready to go?
Yep. You like to take pictures of dead birds.
Interesting.
They flew in here and died.
You can't tell what it is.
Probably shouldn't have done that. That was a bad idea. Hey Dad, no smoking. You can't smoke in here. It's bad for the abandoned part of Beulah.
Yep.
There's no unabandoned part of Beulah. They're all abandoned parts.
It's all. Come back here and cut off the rail.
Why would somebody take that much time to go and take off all the railings?
Oh, these are cool. Look, they can raise. Look out. Get out.